Good afternoon, dear students. Today I'm going to continue chapter 4, Personalizing Windows 8.1. Children, this is the second part of this chapter. So now let's come to the chapter. Now children, please open page number 42 of your computer book. On the page number 42, first of all we will start show desktop. Children, sometimes you just want all your open windows to minimize. If only for a moment you have something in mind, such as to view a gadget on your desktop. Okay, arrow peak makes it possible to instantly minimize your open windows with the show desktop button. Okay, here you can see the show desktop button. The show desktop button is a rectangular bar at the very end of the taskbar. Okay, here you can see. To use the show desktop button, follow the steps. First step is point to the show desktop button and get a quick glimpse of the desktop as open windows fade from view and become transparent. Okay, so if you have your computer, if you have your laptop, and your laptop or computer must have Windows 8.1, then please open your computer, then you can watch my video. Okay, step 2 and you can follow the steps when you are with your computer, then you can follow the steps on your computer or laptop. Okay, move the mouse away from the show desktop button and the windows return. Step 3 is click the show desktop button to minimize all your open windows, revealing the calculated expense of your desktop. Step 4 is click it again and your windows return. Search. Children, as soon as you start typing in the search bar of the start menu, you will see a list of relevant options. Here you can see like this. This is the search bar, and when you type here anything, then you will see a list of relevant options. This allows you to easily scan for the documents, music, pictures and email you are looking for. Okay children. Now children, we will know about arranging icons on taskbar. Children, how can we arrange the icons on our taskbar? Okay, when you first start using Windows 8.1, each of your open programs appears as an invited unlabeled button. Okay children, when you first start using Windows 8.1, each of your open programs appears as an individual unlabeled button like this. Okay, dragging taskbar buttons to move them around. Okay, to rearrange the icons in the order you want, click and drag them. As children, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 icons here. Okay, and if you want to drag, if you want to arrange any of this and this, any of them icon you want to arrange, okay, then you can click here. Okay, just I want to, this is the WordPad. Okay, and I want to arrange this, then first of all you will have to click here and drag, and if you want to drag this and you click, then like this, drag here, then this program will be here. Okay, and if you want to drag this internet, okay, then you will click here and like that you can bring it here. Okay, changing mouse setting. Children, generally the mouse pointer is shaped like an arrow. Okay, like this. Okay, your mouse pointer looks like this. Okay, this is the mouse pointer. Okay, Next children, however, you may change the appearance of the mouse pointer from the control panel. Then to change the appearance of your mouse pointer, follow the steps. First step, right click the Windows 8 on desktop. First step is right click the Windows 8 on the desktop. Okay. Next, click the personalize option at the bottom of the menu. Okay. Next, third is control panel home dialog box appears. When you click personalize, then control panel home dialog box appears. Okay. Next, fourth step is in the left pane, click change mouse pointers. Mouse properties dialog box opened. When you click change mouse pointers, then mouse properties dialog box will be opened. Okay, on the desktop. Next, fifth step is choose the mouse pointer of your choice. Okay children, you can choose the mouse pointer of your choice from here. Okay, then option 6 and last step is click the OK button. Here this is the OK button. Okay, then you can click here. After clicking OK, you can take the mouse pointer of your choice. Okay, now children, we will know about button tab. Children, with the help of this button, we can interchange the left and right button functions. The right button can now be used for primary functions such as selecting and dragging. Okay. Double click speed. You may change the speed of double click by dragging the arrow towards slow or fast as per your preference. There is a folder given to test the setting. Okay. Click lock. When you select this option, you can drag the mouse at the beginning of dragging and then click again to release at the end. Pointer option tab. You can change the function visibility of the mouse pointer here. This tab has the following 3 options. How many options? 3 options. First is motion, second is snap to, and the third is visibility. Its first is motion. It selects the speed for the pointer on which it moves, and snap to, the mouse pointer will automatically move the default bottom button in the dialog box. Visibility, it has 3 check boxes. Clicking the first checkbox will display the mouse trail as it moves. Selecting the second checkbox hides pointer when you type. The third checkbox on checking shows the pointer location when you press the control key. Wheel tab. The wheel tab provides scrolling option. You can increase or decrease the number of lines the mouse wheel will scroll in one notch. You can increase or decrease the number of lines the mouse wheel will scroll in one notch. Setting date and time. The system tray in the taskbar displays time. If you place the mouse pointer over the time, current day and date are displayed. Okay, to change the date and time, follow the steps. First step is click date and time. Here first of all you will click here. Then the second option is change date and time settings. Now click change date and time setting in the pop-up which appears. Date and time dialog box appears then. Okay, like this, there is an interface that will be opened when you click date and time settings. Okay, after that click the third step that is change date and time. This is the third step. Here you will have to click change date and time. When you click here like this, there will be an interface on your desktop, and then you will have to click change date and time. What? You will have to click change date and time. Okay children, then you can select month, you can select date from here and change the time also. Okay, after doing that you can click on OK. After clicking OK, your date and time and month all will be changed. Okay children.